Excel allows you to change and format the font that you're using in your spreadsheet. The font group, which is in the Home tab, contains font, font size, bold, italics, underline, color, full color, and borders. To change the font of your text, select a cell or highlight a group of cells, and then select the font drop-down. You can then choose your font from there. If you type a letter on your keyboard, it should jump to that in alphabetical order. To change a font size, select a cell or highlight a group of cells, and then select the font size drop-down. You can then choose the font you want. You could also manually type in the font, or you could use the letters with the upwards and downward arrows next to them to increase the size. Click through these and it will keep getting bigger or smaller. To bold your text, select a cell or a group of cells and then select the bold icon. To put your text into italics, select a cell or a group of cells and then select the italics option. To underline some text, select a cell or a group of cells and select the underline option. If you select the drop-down, you can have the option of adding a double underline. To change the color of the text in a cell, select a cell or highlight a group of cells and then select the color drop-down. If the color that you want isn't there, you can select more colors and then either choose from the standard options or create a color in the custom. To shade a cell in a specific color, select the cell or a group of cells and then select the fill color option. This will look like a paint can slipping over. Select the drop down and choose a color. Once again, if your color is not there, you can select more colors and then choose from the standard colors or the custom options. You may wish to use borders in your spreadsheets to help make your data stand out. To insert a border, highlight a cell or a selection of cells, and then select the drop-down option next to the border. Here you get presented with a range of different options. You can choose to put on all borders, outside borders, thick outside borders, top and bottom borders, double-lined borders, and others. Select the style that you want and it will apply it to the cells that you've selected. You can use the More Borders option at the bottom to format borders in greater detail.